Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, my credit sniper? It's your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassin. So I gotta check my mic. Funny thing is, the other day I did a whole video, I had a great content, but at the end of the video I found that my mic was off. Guys, I was pissed. But guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. I'm excited because I want to continue talking to you about business credit. It is, I'm so excited about the 360 Business Vantage. I almost forgot the name of my own software. So 360 Business Vantage. It is going to be revolutionary, guys. It's going to help you, especially if what you're trying to do is create business credit, what we call corporate credit. Because I understand, like, when you don't know about a business, all you know is about your personal credit. Yeah, you may know how to fix your personal credit, but almost 76% of Americans don't even know what's going on with their own personal credit. Yeah, alone, not business credit. And when you actually start using your personal credit, it hurts your utilization, it hurts your credit overall, your payment history. You max out your credit cards because you're trying to do a business. Why not do it the right way? Why not learn how to actually do business credit and then be able to leverage your business, your growth, the scale of your business, and creating generational wealth? That's what I want to do, guys. And that's what I'm going to be bringing to you. And we are going to revolutionize the market. Definitely, guys. So, guys, once again, if you guys are here today, thank you. I appreciate for you guys tuning in. If this is your first time on our channel, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you click on that bell icon. Click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post some new content, guys, and that is daily. I appreciate your support. I appreciate that you guys sponsor us to be here every single day. So from the bottom of my heart, we want to make sure we continue helping you. So let's go to today's content, which is, let's talk about your online reputation. Now, what we want to talk about online reputation, what we want to talk about marketing. Even though we're not a marketing website, but your marketing, the way you are seen online, the way that your customers see you, the way that your bank sees you, keyword, bank, lender, they want to know who you are. They want to know where you come from. They want to know what others think about you. They want to know what reviews do they find. They are going to do the underwriting. And when they do an underwriting, it's like an investigation. They want to know how your business stands with other business, your competition, you, what others have to say about you, what good information you have on the net, what good information you have in all social media platforms and marketing platforms. The more that you are in the net, the more that you are in the internet, the more that you are marketed, the better it is. Guys, don't get me wrong. Once you start getting bigger, you will always get some negative news, negative information. There are going to be people that will never like the way you do business, but it's okay. As long as you're doing the right thing, there's going to be more people that love, that follow you, that become your fan today and are able to help you move forward. So with that, it's needless to say that your online reputation must be closely monitored. Now, negative reviews will impact how others see you and also your ability to do business with certain clients, because depending on how they see you, that's how they're gonna be able to do business with you. So now think about this. Let me give you an example. If you search 2 different restaurants and one of them is 3 stars and the other one is 5 stars, which one would you rather go with? Now let's just say you go to Amazon and you are looking for a camera, a video camera or whatever camera or phone, and one phone or one camera is 1 star and the other one is 5 stars. Which one would you rather go with? My point exactly. This is why it is necessary for you to take charge of your own marketing, your reputation, of what's going on in line, guys. Online, not in line, online. So there's many ways that you can do it. So let's move forward and we'll talk more about those. So one of the main things that we could combat bad marketing is reviews. If you have done business with customers and clients that you know that you are doing the ethical thing and they are happy about it, ask them to go ahead and give you a review. Ask them. That will go a long way, because that's what all the people that are new to your business, to your atmosphere, to your ecosystem want to know. Who else have done business with this person or this company, and how I can picture myself in the same situation. Something that you have to keep in mind: if you ever done business with someone that is not happy with you or happy with the service that you provide them, these people will be incentivized, personally incentivized, to go ahead and give you a bad review. While opposed the person that you gave a great service to, or great they got a great product from you and they're happy with it. Sometimes they just go on about their life. They don't mean to. There's so many things that become more important to them and they forget to do so. Certain people will actually go and give you a good review all on their own. But always ask, because it is necessary for you to start building the reputation that you need. This is something that banks and lenders will always look for. They want to know what type of reputation you have online, especially if you've been in business for a while. They want to know what is your trajectory or your past in the possibility for them to lend money. They don't want to be associated with a company that, one, is going to be in scandals, one, they may be closed down in the future, and three, if that happens, they will never get their money back. So that brings us to what's called reputation management. So what is reputation management? Reputation management is how your company looks in all social media platforms and marketing. It's how you are presented by others and by yourself. So always take the initiative. You start the talk, you start the reputation, you start the marketing. Always be smart. One of the things that I advise you to is make sure that you pick your niche and your avatar. This is who you are going to be after, or you're going to serve, and the specifically ecosystem that you are going to serve, that your company will serve. These are the people that you're going to go after, and then later on, once you're actually well set with that community, people will start talking more about your business, as long as you do what you're supposed to do ethically every single time. Make sure that you have a great product too. Now, this brings me to who the bank is looking for. They're looking for companies that are able to create a market, that are able to create an economy, that are able to create jobs, that are able to make revenue. So something that you have to keep in mind: a bank is always in the business of making money. And by they lending you money, they're allowing you to use what's called OPM, or other people's money, for you to make money. But guess who else is going to be making money? The bank. That's their business. And they want to make sure, they want to support you 100%. But then they have guidelines and underwriting criteria that you need to keep in mind. They've been through this road once before, more than you and me. They know of people that have come and never paid. And they also know of people that also has come and paid. And they compile that together. It's a room of data. And that will then allow them to do what's called the underwriting criteria. So that's something that you have to keep in mind. This is why your reputation online is very important. Now guys, that brings me back to our product, the 360 Business Vantage. 360 Business Vantage, as soon as you're able to come in, it's going to give you the 12-point business assessment scan. And it's going to let you know how you look in reviews and all social media and marketing platforms. This is something that we have built that is not like any other software out there in the market. We want to make sure that we bring it to you, and we want to allow you to come in so you could check it. You're actually able to review, you're actually able to check your own company and see how you stand in the market. This is essential, guys, as we move forward and lendings keep getting a little bit higher in interest rates. There's going to be a lot of more obstacles that you need to go through, and your social media and your marketing and your reputation and the way that you're seen by the world, it will be necessary. So we want to make sure we help you. We want to make sure that you actually get to where you want to go by providing you the right information and the right foundation for your business. So guys, thank you for being here today. I hope this helped you. It was short and sweet and to the point. That's what we wanted. Want to make sure that you get something that's digestible, and we go. So I want you to start putting things in practice. And if you like this, hey guys, go on the bottom of this video. You are going to see the 360 Business Vantage scan. Go through it. Check it out for free for now. We allow the first 1,000 businesses to get in for free. See how you like it? And if you want more, we are here to coach you and able to bring you to the next step, which will be getting your lending for your business, either as a startup or as a scale for your business. So guys, thank you for your time. If this was your first time or you are a repeated offender, make sure you still subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post some new content. But at the same time, guys, make sure you give me the thumbs up. That is going to help me tremendously in order to bring this content to many, many more people. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Once again, I'm Carlos Estrada. I'm the Credit Assassin, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase the basics?